back to my channel. So finally I am back after such a long break, and I'm really sorry I couldn't upload the video for the last 3 months. A lot of you have been asking me about my current haircare routine, so I thought before starting the tutorial I should definitely show you the product that I have been using these days. So yeah. So this is the product that I have been using lately. This is Pantene Oil Replacement Cream, and I love the way it can be used in so many ways. So let's just see how this can be used. So the first way I use this as an oil, and to apply this I make 2 sections of my hair and then take a good amount of product on my hand and then rub it between my palms and then start applying it all over the middle length and the ends. And as you can see, I have recently got my hair colored. I want some extra nourishment for my hair, and this works absolutely amazing. It nourishes my hair and hence make them healthy with less hair fall. And when I'm done with the application, I wrap all my hair into a bun and let it set into my hair for like 30 minutes. But if you have less time, 10 minutes are also enough. Now I have washed my hair with shampoo. I didn't apply any conditioner because guess what? This product also works as a leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna take a small amount and apply it on the middle to bottom length of my hair, and I do not even need to rinse it again, and which is the best part about this. Now I'm just running fingers through my hair, and you can see it detangled my hair instantly. Also it gives an amazing and long-lasting fragrance. So highly recommend it. So now let's start the first hairstyle, which is this beautiful braid. But before making any hairstyle, I would recommend to apply a small amount of this product all over the length because it works like a serum, and since we are making a braid hairstyle here, it will prevent small hair pop out of my braid, and hence the braid will look flawless. Now comb your hair so that there are no tangles, and then take a small section from the top like so and divide it into 3 equal sections. Now cross the front strand over the middle strand and then cross the back strand over the middle strand. Now add some hair to the front strand and cross it over the middle strand. Now cross the back strand over the middle strand without adding any hair. Again add some hair to the front strand and cross it over the middle. Cross the back strand over the middle without adding any hair, and keep on doing this to get a French lace braid. Now when you reach your ear, start braiding normally and pull each section of the braid like so. Now secure it with the help of tic-tac pins. Now take a small section from the other side and start twisting it backwards. Add some hair, twist again, add some hair and twist again till you reach your ear. Now pin it at the back along with the previous pins. Now take all your hair to one side and divide it into 4 equal sections. Now we need to work with the first section and the third section, so let's keep aside the second section and the fourth section. Now we have the first section and the third section, so make a rope braid of the first section and the third section both. Split the first section into 2 and then twist one portion towards another and cross it under, and again twist one portion towards another and cross it under. So keep on doing this to get a rope braid, and tie it when you reach the end. Now make another rope braid of the third section as well. Now take the second strand and 4th strands towards the front and place all the 4 strands exactly according to their position. Now start with the innermost strand, cross it over the next, then under the next, and then over the next. Again take the innermost strand, cross it over the next, under the next, and over the next. One more time. Over, under, over. So keep on doing the same thing till you reach the end of the braid. Now when you reach the end, start pulling the non-braided sides. Pull it from both the sides of the braid and you will get a beautiful bow effect. Secure the braid and take out some flicks from the front. I need to curl these strands, so I'm gonna take a little bit of Pantene All-in-One Miracle and apply it on the strands since it works as a heat protectant as well. Isn't it great? Now I'm gonna curl these strands. So that's it. That's how the braid looks. Now let's go for the second hairstyle, which is this bun. Here I have opened up my braid since the top look is the same, but to tame the frizz I'm again going to use a small amount of this product to prepare it for the next hairstyle. Now I'm going to secure all my hair into a side ponytail. Now split it from the middle and make two normal braids. I have loosened up the braids a little bit to make them voluminous. Now take one braid and start twisting it clockwise direction. Secure it with U-pins to fix it from all the sides. Now stretch the second braid a little bit to make it voluminous and start wrapping it in anti-clockwise direction over the first braid. Secure properly with U-pins, and that's all you need to do. Smooth out the hair from the top, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. All the details of the product that I mentioned in this video is in the description bar below. Don't forget to check out, and I'll see you soon. Bye!